This tutorial is about Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox is an internet web browser and which is developed by Mozilla Software Foundation. It is free so that you can download and install Mozilla Firefox on any operating system you want. Mozilla Firefox is also available for iPhone, Android and other mobile applications. Now here I am using Windows operating system and I have installed Mozilla Firefox in my computer. It is very clean and slick design, and as you can see there is a button which is Firefox. From here we can navigate some options like New tab, Start private browsing, Search, Bookmark, History, Downloads, Add-ons, Options and Help. Option for exiting Firefox is also given here. By default, I have disabled the menu bar. So if you want to look at the menu, press Alt key. You'll find File, Edit, View, History, Bookmarks, Tools and other help. Here you'll find a quick search box. You can find in Google, Yahoo, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Twitter and Wikipedia. You can manage these search engines and add more if you want to. It allows us to search anything on the internet very quickly. If you want Mozilla Firefox for your computer, go to mozilla.org. This will open up the Mozilla website where you can download Firefox for Android and other devices as I said. From here we can go to mobile or desktop. It says your Firefox is up to date. That means the version of Firefox I am using is up to date. You can download Mozilla Firefox using this button. It comes with several languages and it supports several systems. This was a quick tutorial upon Mozilla Firefox introduction. Thank you.